Hey guys, Zilla 2000 here, the King of the Mutations, and tonight I want to talk about my KAIJU OC, Mega Zilla, the King of the Mutations. Now, not to get confused by anybody, knowing that he has the same name as Mega Kaiju, as Mega Godzilla and Mega Legendary King Ghidorah. Mega Legendary, Mega King Ghidorah, because Mega Godzilla belongs to Godzilla 2000 and Mega King Ghidorah belongs to, King Ghidorah Tab 3. But I'm going to tell you about everything you need to know about him, and, well, that's basically that. So, Mega Zilla was actually another offspring of the first Zilla that appeared in 1998. His origin story was that he was the second egg to be found. Well, he actually was not found. He was actually unknown. But when he hatched, he instinctively went to a new island. When there, he fed upon the animals that lived there. And then made that island his personal kingdom. When he grew up, he's shown to have Godzilla 2000's spines. Not just that, even to be able to communicate like Godzilla by using Godzilla roars. It's also clear that he's also capable of mimicking other creatures' voices, and possibly even mimicking human voices too. Zilla acts more like the Indominus Rex, much more like a killing machine that goes after warm-blooded animals. But it's also revealed that Zilla is the older brother of Zilla Jr. within Godzilla series. When Zilla Jr. and Zilla confront each other, Zilla Jr. and Zilla instantly realize that they're brothers. Like Zilla Jr., Zilla is incapable of reproducing by himself, so he needs another creature to breed alongside him. Of course, he ends up finding this creature called Komodo Rex. And unlike the original Komodo Rex within Godzilla series, she's actually capable of breeding with another creature. So, her and Zilla made a first Mega Kaiju hybrid. And that hybrid is particularly trademarked as Mega Zilla Jr. Mega Zilla's atomic breath is much more of a dark greenish color, and much more of an orange ray around it. His height is over about 309.8 meters. He's not as large as Mega Godzilla, who stands over a height of 329.9 meters, and Mega King Ghidorah, who stands over a height of 34 meters, 0.9 meters tall. Zilla was unfriendly of humans until when he picked up the scent of Dr. Nick Totopoulos was smelling a lot like him. Zilla instantly realized that he's more like an adopted father to Zilla Jr. Zilla also happens to be Mega Godzilla's right-hand man, the second in command of the Mega Kaiju Kingdom. He's also portrayed as the smartest and most intelligent Mega Kaiju alive. He can move a lot faster, and he's incredibly smart. He happens to live on an island that's full of remaining dinosaurs and prehistoric mammals, and even in creatures thoughts of in urban myths and legends, such as dragons, griffins, and all those other mythical creatures. And that island happens particularly to be his home. For him and Mega Command Rex raise their offspring. Of course, there were other Mega Kaiju who did challenge Megazilla over his island dominance. And Megazilla is particularly the king of mutations, and his little brother, Zilla Jr., is just his second in command. And Megazilla can instantly control the Mega Kaiju to awaken or to stay asleep. The mutations to stay asleep or to awaken. It's also clear and well known that Megazilla is also immune to Mega firepower, but this game is much more tougher, and its healing factor is a lot more faster than his little brother, Zilla Jr. He also carries high intelligence. 2. He also can move very fast, he's very agile, and he's very strong. One time he stopped on the mountain for collapsing on a small human village. He managed to hold it for over 3 hours until Mechagodzilla came in to help him. Megazilla was design takes after his father's design, but share more characteristics of a Godzilla rather than a Zilla, showing high aggression and severe territorialness. Of course, the atomic breath is not Megazilla's only ability. Just like the Mutos, using an EMP, an atomic pulse, Megazilla can easily do the same thing, except his is a lot more different. He can mind control machines and order them to attack enemies. Not just that he has an atomic shockwave coming out of his back. Heck, he can even hypnotize his other creatures or humans by just staring them in the eyes. But not just that, Megazilla can also do back practically what his little brother can do. He'll burrow, run really fast. But also, Megazilla is also well known as the much more territorial Mega Kaiju than the Mega Kaiju race. He's highly territorial over his land and or whatever he's living in. Also, he's highly overprotective of those he knows and loves. Megazilla's weight length is currently right now unknown. What I do know is that Megazilla can show high aggression towards humans. Knowing what humans actually did to his actual biological father. And not just that, Megazilla can also carry the ability to read minds of other people or other creatures. And not just that, Megazilla can also practically be a mean green fighting machine. His particular color for his little brother, who was just Zilla Jr. is purple with blue dorsal spine. Zilla has orange stripes on the top part of his back. And he has a dark blackish, black grayish color on his underbelly. Where his top part shares much more of an orange type of color. But there's a little bit of red in there too. His spine, on the other hand, happens to just be, well, yellow. He has yellow dorsal spine. And so therefore, well, it's basically all the information I have for you guys, because I don't want to continue doing this video for too long. If you guys want a part 2, then leave it, well, your answer in the comments below, and we'll do a part 2 of my Mega Kaiju, Zilla, the King of Mutations. So, bye-bye!